Sitting on CNC Group Break number 3098, we're on to the 12-13 Panini Prime and 13-14 Dominion. Start with the Prime. Base card number 249 for the Boston Bruins, Ray Bourque. We've got a number 6 autograph, numbered 1/25 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Johansson. We've got a primetime rookie jersey, number 99 for the New York Islanders, Aaron Ness. We've got a showcase swatches, number 13/25 for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. We've got a quad jersey auto rookie /249 for the Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Barrie. And the Dominion topper has a base card /125 for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. And a 3-color rookie patch auto, number 13/99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Gabriel Dumont. Now on to the Dominions. All right, base card number 299 for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. We've got a complete rookies jersey, prime patch and fight strap, numbered 16/25 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Leo Komarov. We've got a 2-color rookie patch auto, number 299 for the Vancouver Canucks, Nicholas Jensen. We've got a back-to-back beginnings dual autograph, number 149, which will be random between the Canadiens and Hurricanes, Nathan Beaulieu and Ryan Murphy. And we've got a rookie auto /299 for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Gryba. And a redemption for an auto and patch, number 99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Nathan Beaulieu. All right, coming up next, the Cup